Today is another unboxing, and this unboxing of the handbag. Please guys, stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Oksana. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. Today we're gonna have unboxing of the handbag. This handbag I got at Paris on my Paris trip this year 2024, and this handbag isn't the original one that I purchased. I purchased the handbag at my Paris leather appointment, and then I got cold feet and I decided to return it. I have the whole live stream on my channel. In fact, it was my first ever live stream when I explained how I exchanged that handbag at the Hermes flagship store. It was a little bit of, you know, saga the exchange process, but I'm very glad that I actually insisted on that exchange, and I exchanged it for this little cutie. So let's do unboxing. And for many of you, if you watched my live stream, I already revealed for what I exchanged. Nevertheless, it's just the details that important of the handbag, because you know, when it comes to Hermes handbags, the color, the hardware, the leather is quite important. So you can see that this is mini handbag, so it's a small handbag. And I even this time got this what do you call, kind of like ID of the handbag, because usually they don't give it to you, but these gentlemen that I had exchanged with, so the booklet taking care of the leather, just a pillow, and that's about it. I will also reveal the price because you know it's important. So here we go, guys. Ta-da! So this is Hermes mini Bolide in colored tube with the gold hardware, and leather is ever color. I was actually asking for the chèvre. Oh, it's a little bit of the dip, most likely the way it was sitting in this box. I had a little bit of dip. And what is the most important about a tube when you get a tube color, and I really love a tube because with the tube you get white contrasting stitches. So let's look inside. Inside you have just a plasticky filler, and that's how it looks like inside. Quite often they do versa with Bolide, but this specific one is just a tube, and I really like it, because this time when I was in Paris I specifically asked if I can get something in gray, like, you know, kind of misty gray. A tube is always great, and the numbers is kind of inside this pocket, and this is the W. So W, I don't know if it's year 2024. I'm assuming that it's year 2024 if it's a W. So here's the details. Really love it. There is a little bit of dip over here. I'm assuming is the way I was placing in a box, and this little note, maybe the note giving this little dip, but it's absolutely gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous as usual. Like, you know, at the end you have that H is absolutely fantastic. It's my little doggy whine. Clara, do you want to come to mama? Do you want to come to mama? Come on, my little beauty. I'm gonna introduce you to my little doggy. Come to mama, come to mama, come to mama. Yes. Oh my goodness, she's getting heated. Say hello to everybody. Say hello to everybody. Say hello. Say hello to everybody. She's like, hello. sorry about that, because I just have to. So it also comes with the shoulder strap, and the hooks on this shoulder strap, it's like, oh my goodness, it's so tiny. It's so tiny, absolutely microscopic. So anyway, if you want, guys, I will try to link that live streams that I did, the whole saga of exchanging, and let me know what you think. Did I do the right decision of exchanging for this mini Bolide? But I mean, when it comes to mini Bolide, it was actually last year, it was 100 year since the first production of mini Bolide. So this is really one of the oldest handbags of Hermes. And when it comes to Della, I have Della already in my collection, and I really love it, the very original one. So the price of this one is Bolide 1923 mini Evercolor. Color is 18, a tube, and the price is 4,600. So 4,600. The price of this handbag. So let me know what you think. And mostly when it comes to mini handbag, people are concerned about the cell phone. My cell phone is I think it's 12, so it's a 12, and this is not mini, this is not large, it's just like, you know, that middle size, and it's with the case. So, and you can see that it fits easily, and there is a bunch of space. It actually can just go even flat, you know, just like that. There is a plenty of more space for putting, like, I don't know, your keys, your lipstick, even some little thinny extra. So there is it looks tiny, but it actually fits a lot. Surprisingly, it fits a lot. So once again, this is the cuties that I got, because I think when it comes to a tube, some people don't really like it. They find this color a little bit muddy. They find this color is not as exciting, let's say, as comparison to the pink or some kind of bright yellow or purple, or you name it, or red. Because this color, yes, I agree, it could be looking a little bit boring, but nevertheless, I think I'm kind of digressing over here. When it comes to my appointment for this handbag, and I already explained this via my live stream, but I had several options of choosing between the colors. I had the options of this tube, then I had the options of kind of misty gray, whatever, but that one didn't have the white stitching, so it just kind of plain grayish color, and I really wanted with the white stitching because to me it makes the handbag more interesting. Then I had the option, because I actually asked for chèvre, and when it comes to chèvre, unfortunately I had only two options, and they're both in orange color. One of them just a regular Hermes orange, and the second one is, I think it's a new Hermes orange. I think I even put it somewhere on my phone just to remember the name. Let me see. Because I remember specifically that that was the color. It's a new one. Yeah, it's an orange field. It was orange field in chèvre. So that's what the options that I had. So what do you think, guys? Was it the right decision to exchange for this handbag? Because I think this handbag is absolutely gorgeous. And what I like about this handbag is that I can clearly substitute with any other strap and make this handbag as versatile and as different in colors as I want. Because when it comes to this bag, as I said, you can put any twilly, and it doesn't have to be even in the sense of protecting handles. It could be a twilly just to add extra color tone. Let's say you can put any other strap and this handbag already gonna look totally different. So this is the handbag that I got after much not a conflict. I don't want to name it as a conflict, but definitely as result of somewhat small confrontation and unpleasant conversation, but I persisted, and that's the handbag that I received at the end. So that's it for today, guys, for this unboxing. So let me know what you think of this handbag. Do you like it or not as much, or should I kept the very original handbag? So please let me know. So that's about it for today, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.